Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahma Aulia. I'm from Panda 1 Middle School. Today, I will recycle waste paper into paper that can be reused. The materials needed are waste paper, fragrance, dye, and water. The tools used are paper mold, cloth, chopper, scissors, sponge, and bucket. The first step is to prepare tools and materials.
Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
The second step is to cut the waste paper. The third step is to put the cut paper into the chopper. The fourth step is to add a little butter, then cup it.
And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you.
The fifth step is to put the crushed paper into a bucket filled with water. Sixth step, add coloring and fragrance. Seventh step, filter the paper using a paper mold.
Count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there.
Eighth step, press it on cloth. Then, absorb the water with a sponge. Leave the mold, then dry it in the sun.
When you cry,
Wait until dry.
I'll never let go.
Final step, peel the paper from the cloth. The paper is ready to use. I made the paper into a greeting card.
Count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like.
That's the process of recycling paper in a simple way. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You can count on me, 'cause I can count on